Now we will talk about the second topic of this chapter, that is a nuclear force. So you have studied this in class 9th. Let me explain it also. What is a nuclear force? We can talk about the force between the two nucleus. Okay, the force between two nucleus is called the nuclear force, and nuclear force is a strong attractive force, okay, that wind the proton and neutron together inside a tiny nucleus. Understand this one? It is a strongest force and which binds the proton and neutron. So we will talk about what are the property of the nuclear force. So first one, it is a strongest interaction, that is we can talk about the force of gravity, Fg we can say, okay, and a force of electron, this ratio you have a study, force of electron, you can say force of neutron, this ratio you learn it, they ask this in a objective. So 1 ratio 10 to the power 36 here, and this is a 10 to the power 38, this is the ratio, okay. Then short range force. So nuclear force are the short range force. Second property, variation with the distance, okay, charge independent they have, and saturation effect also they have. So these force are very strong force, first property. Second, these force are approximately 10 to the power 39 times stronger than the gravitational force acting between the two protons. So this is the next property, and these force are about 100 times stronger than the electrostatic force, okay, by Coulomb's law this is likely proved. And since nucleus is stable and proton and neutron both reside simultaneously inside the nucleus, and these force are the short range force, that means 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And for all the light and middle nuclei, the value of mass number is nearly twice the atomic number Z. So these are the properties. And one more graph, that is variation with the distance. You can see where is the attractive and where is the force is repulsive, they asked in it. So if you make the graph is comes like this: 0 we can take 100, then we can take 200 from here, that is a potential energy. This is the potential energy, it is in MeV, mega electron volt. So the graph is likely occur like this, you have studied in the 9th class also this graph. So this is a positive attraction, there is the positive, and this is a attraction, okay. And if we can talk about the positive repulsion, so this is the repulsion, Repulsion. So they asked this too, 16 in 2016 they have asked this question. So there is the attraction and there is the repulsion.